Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I filmed for you guys this hair look for this beautiful full hair braid, and I actually wore it to a wedding a couple weeks ago and I got a lot of compliments and people asking me if I got my hair done or if I did it myself. And so a couple people asked me to make a video tutorial for it. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this beautiful braid, please keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is start by putting in my extensions, and the ones that I'm using are the LEBANESE. I believe these are the NATHALIE pairs, 22-inch. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll link them down below. You really want to get that volume so that when you create the braid, it looks really full. So I'm going to section the hair off, just bottom. I'm going to clip up the rest. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tease it right before putting in, oh my god, my hair looks so funny, right before putting it in. So it's really important that you tease it just so that the hair like holds throughout the night. And I'm gonna take the weft with the 2 clips and I'm gonna put those right in, and I'm gonna go just right above that. And I'm gonna take the weft with the 3 clips and I'm gonna clip that one in. Oh, don't forget to tease. Then I'm gonna go near the crown. And I'm gonna take the weft with the 4 clips and I'm gonna clip that in. So I put in 3 wefts and I think that should be like more than enough, especially if you're doing a braid. You do want to get the fullness, but 3 wefts should be more than enough. So now that we've got those in, I'm gonna go ahead and add some curls in the hair. It doesn't have to be like too curly, just to add some waves so you have a little bit of texture to work with. And I'm using my NuMe 2-in-1 wand. So like I said, you just need to add a little bit of curls to have some texture for when you do the braid. So now that we've added some curls throughout the hair, basically what I'm gonna do is move my hair kind of to the side that I want the braid, and I usually take my photos on the left side, so I like to have kind of my hair on this side. And so I'm gonna start by sectioning off the bottom actually. So I'm going to section off to about this much, and I'm going to pin this part up for now. So now that we have this bottom part, what I'm going to do, like I said, is I'm going to bring it to the side, and then I'm going to take one of these little plastic elastic bands, and I'm going to tie it just right at the top over here. Not like too close to the scalp because you still want a little bit of room, but I'm gonna tie it about down here. Twice should be good enough. You don't want it too tight. And then what I'm gonna do from the back, I'm just gonna split from here right down the middle so that you kind of have a little bit of a hole like that. And I'm gonna pull the hair through this hole. So I'm just gonna go and pull the hair through the hole so that it kind of looks like that. And then what I'm going to do is pull some of the hair out from both ends. And you're going to leave that for the bottom for now. So I'm going to kind of repeat that step with another part of my hair. I'm going to go kind of just right above the ears. So same thing that we did earlier. I'm going to take the hair, tie it with one of these little elastics. Not too tight. And you also want to tie it like a little bit sideways so that it comes to the side that you want it. I'm going to tie it about here. And then I'm going to go in. I'm going to make that little hole and I'm going to pull the hair through. And same thing, kind of pull some of the hair out. And then at this point, I'm going to take the rest of the hair from the top one that we did, and I'm going to pull it through from the hole of the bottom half. So this is the top half, this is the bottom half. I'm going to grab this hair and pull it through the hole. So at this point, this is what it should look like. And then for this part, for the top half of the hair, what we're gonna do before we start braiding it is we're gonna actually tease it first, because you wanna get some volume in your hair. So I like to start from the bottom, and then you can also use some hairspray before you tease it, just so it holds a little bit more. Take my teasing comb. And you're going to kind of repeat that until you get to the top of the head. So this is about how much I'm going to tease it. And then what I'm going to do is split it down the middle, or down to whatever your part is. I'm gonna repeat those same steps that we did with the bottom halves of the hair. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna tie it, do it about here, and then same thing, we're gonna pull the hair through a hole. So make that little hole and then pull the hair through. And then pull some of the hair out. And then again, I'm gonna find that hole from the bottom hair and I'm gonna pull this one right through it. This side, you're gonna kind of, what I'm gonna do is kind of brush it back and move it to the side and then tie it, finding that hole and then pulling the hair through, and then again pulling it through the bigger braid once again. And at this point you can kind of start pulling out some pieces of hair before you start braiding it, just so you get action going on the sides here, so it doesn't look maybe so empty. And then once you have it to your liking, you can then go ahead and start braiding. So these are the ponies of the top two halves, and then you have your bottom and the middle. You can kind of merge them all together and then split the hair. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the hair from the top pony, so that's this one over here, and then I'm going to take the hair from the middle pony, which is this one. I'm going to put those two together and then split them down the middle, and then use the bottom pony as the rest of the braid, and I'm going to braid around that. So I'm going to start to braid all the way down. And obviously you can do whatever type of braid you want. You could do a Dutch braid, you could do a fishtail braid, and then just secure that at the bottom. And then at this point you can start pulling out some pieces. Obviously fix anything, if any elastics are showing or whatever. And I'm kind of going for a messy kind of braid, so I'm gonna pull out quite a lot of pieces. And you can also add some jewels or any like jewelry or whatever to your hair if it's for a wedding or prom, graduation, whatever. And then you can always go back to your curler and curl any pieces that you need to. And then obviously just spray it so it all stays in place. Alright guys, so that's it for this kind of big braided hair tutorial. I think it's so beautiful if you have prom or graduation or even just a party. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It was a lot of fun to recreate. It's really easy, and it doesn't take that much time either. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like it. You can share it if you want, leave me a comment, we'll chat, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!